the Yoruba for Kids cooking channel. So today we're going to be making OBè ATA, which we call the mother sauce. Do you guys have an idea why? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got your answer? Well, if you didn't know, it's because it's like the base of like most of our foods, like stews, efo, and jollof rice, and many other really good foods. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so the vegetables that we're going to be using are 2 medium onions, 2 large red bell peppers, 5 medium-sized tomatoes, 4 Habanero bonnet peppers, and 1 cup of water. And the cool part about this is that you can use frozen veggies or fresh veggies, and you can make as much as you want. You can double it, you can decrease it, whatever you want to do. Okay, so the first step to do is that you're going to cut your onion, and you're going to cut off the top and the other top. So okay, now you're going to cut it in half. You cut it first and then you peel it off. Don't do it the other way around. You peel it and then you cut it. No, that's gonna take too long. Because you don't want to spend your whole day making OBè ATA. That's good. See? It's really easy to peel off. Okay, so now you get rid of these things. The things you don't need anymore. All of it. Okay, now I'm going to cut them in half again. That. Like that. Remember, you to use a Kidz safe knife so you're safe. Next thing to do is to wash your onions. Okay guys, now that I washed my onions, it's time to put everything in the bowl. So if you have frozen vegetables like me, you don't have to add water. But if you have fresh vegetables, you have to add water. A little bit though, because you don't want too much. And one more thing, rinse. If you're using frozen vegetables, rinse them before you put them in the freezer because you don't want to rinse them again. Okay guys, so for the peppers, the big ones, you're going to have to like cut it in half first, then take out the stem, take out all the seeds and wash it. For those who are using fresh peppers, of course. But if you're using frozen peppers like me, do all that before you put them in the freezer. Make it easier for you. So now I put everything in the pot. So cover your pot and turn it on medium heat. Let it simmer on the stove and for like about 15 minutes until the vegetables are like really soft. Okay guys, now that our vegetables are soft, it's time for the immersion blender. Most people, when they're making OBè ATA, they use a traditional blender, but we use the immersion blender. When we discovered it a few years ago when we were making OBè ATA, and our blender broke, and there was nothing else in the house to use besides the immersion blender, and we just used it, and it was such a great discovery. So whether you're using frozen vegetables or fresh vegetables, it doesn't matter. Make sure they are cooked and soft before you use the immersion blender so they come out smooth and perfect. So this is such a great discovery, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Okay guys, it is time to start blending. So make sure when you are blending, you never take it out while you're pushing the button, or else it is going to splash everywhere and it's going to hurt. And so make sure to mash and turn and swirl it around and keep doing that until it is perfectly smooth. See, like that. Okay, so now it is perfectly smooth like we want it to be. And we're going to use this spoon to take it out. Oh my god guys, look how smooth and perfect this is. Hope you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know every time we upload a video. Bye guys! We hope you enjoyed that video. Go to www.yorubaforkids.com for more videos like this one. They also have a lot of games and activities for children. Make sure to subscribe and become a member on the website. See you there!
Don't forget www.yorubaforkids.com.